Ankidyne, the CSR partner. Education is the foundation upon which the progress of a nation is built, and many responsible corporate companies of India shoulder with the government to accomplish this massive mission by framing their CSR projects for children and education. When it is children and education, Ankidyne comes to the forefront for providing quality product ranges and multiple solutions to the corporates' need through various products and projects like STEM Park or Science Park. An outdoor facility houses hundreds of playway learning exhibits on science, technology, engineering and mathematics, like a mini science center. This facility shall enable teacher training programs, science demonstrations and exhibitions. Digital planetarium. A high-tech projection system with immersive technology becomes a major attraction for any age group. STEM museum exhibits. Hands-on indoor thematic exhibits for interactive learning. Mobile exhibitions is also possible with these exhibits. STEM Lab for compact arrangement of STEM concepts in a confined space. Teaching aids for demonstration curriculum concepts in the classroom through sturdy miniature manipulatives. STEM demonstration kits. Low cost, one-time use for hundreds of STEM concepts to stimulate scientific temperament. Outdoor playground equipment for development of physical and mental well-being. Outdoor fitness equipment for toning up and strengthening the muscle groups of children and adults through scientifically designed robust fitness equipment. Ankidyne shall design, manufacture, supply, install and maintain the CSR projects of any scale at any location within the stipulated time. Ankidyne has a proven track record of successful implementation of CSR projects of many reputed corporates like Bosch India Foundation, Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Company Limited, JSW Steel Limited, Tata Steel Foundation, Shiv Nadar Foundation. Team Ankidyne looks forward to execute an unparalleled CSR project through the establishment of STEM Museum or STEM Park. Call Ankidyne for a great CSR project like STEM Museum or Play Park with turnkey solutions. 9444 079 727.
Yes, sir. Can I please request you to kindly take the stage and address the audience, sir?
Good morning, everyone. I'm Padmanabhan from the company. Just now showcased a video for a STEM museum and other children-related product. We thank you all the NGOs, corporates as well as CSRBOX for providing us a great platform. And especially I want to emphasize that the STEM museum is the most sustainable CSR project can be for long-term impact on the community, because India is a vast country with a huge population, where the government cannot establish science centers and science museums in every district or every nook and corner of India. So I wish to emphasize the STEM museum. We are expert in designing, executing, maintaining and operate at any corner of India. So let us hope for future collaboration with everyone. I wish you all success. Thank you.